Hello everybody, welcome back. We're going to have a look at SHIB. So about a month ago I said meme coins look good, and they did. And that was like a month ago, a really unpopular thing to say back then. About a week ago I said, they all look good again, and particularly SHIB, right? I also said on that video that it might not yield the most amount back, but the chart is neat, and with a neat chart comes a higher probability of success. So I appreciate that someone will go, yeah, but didn't you have a look at the super AI SHIB Dogecoin? Like, I know there's a million things out there, and that one's moved 1,000% in the last 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm sure it will, but for me, I've got to trade the charts. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. And this chart wanted to be traded, and it looks like we're having another attempt to continue with the breakout. So and look, Pepe could easily outperform. Doge could easily outperform. Super SHIB Master AI. I don't know, whatever the next one is, could easily outperform. But I just want to make consistent gains. That's all I want. Consistent profit. Not the 100x, not the 1000x, just consistent profit. Which is why you should subscribe to the channel, join the Patreon as well. So what we're seeing here now is a move up from the center of this Bollinger Band on the daily, so it's good. A move like this on the daily comes with a conviction. So we've already tried this once before after the breakout. Breakout, retest, had a move up. The market refused to allow it, and now we're having another go. So we haven't broken down on this one. In fact, we're looking really good. We had the golden cross, messy. It was very messy here. The last retest of that golden cross of the simple moving averages was tested, and that's where we launched from. Now, a good thing about this is that we don't have any pump signal on the 4 hourly or any trend signal, nothing like that. In fact, not until this flashes green. So this has got more room to run once that signal kicks in. Now, we do have and have had a signal on the 12 hourly, pump signal, which should take us all the way up to what we're going to call them, Shiba, Inus, Shibs, SHIB tokens, I don't know. But the price being 2,800. And I think that's where we're going, more or less now, basically, more or less now. Turning up on momentum, none of this has slowed down. This is all quite good. And actually, we're looking at the 12 hourly, there was a nice retest of golden cross, golden cross, golden cross, golden cross, and up and away we go. The 200 simple is currently here, and we've more or less been surfing that as well on the way up on the 12 hourly. So the 12 hourly's got some relevance to it. But back to the daily, where the most important things are sitting. Once you see a push up above this area, this 2,800, you'll get a green portion of the cloud. You'll have a conversion baseline cross. You'll have price action above the cloud, and this little cheeky span should close up above there as well, giving us a pump signal above the resistance, which makes us look at all the next resistance levels above us. Now I've got these lines in here. These are increments of the consolidation. One of the reasons I said this chart was so nice is because it's so neat and tidy. Look at the way that it's consolidated. I can't take it no more. Oh, I've broken out. I can go. So it's looking really good. So each one of these moves up is an increment to take profit on for the cautious trader. But depending on the nature of the market, and the market looks quite good now. Does look quite good, and then some of these setups have been playing out really nicely. I think this one has a decent chance of meeting this major target all the way up here, 3,600 SHIB tokens, Shiba Inus, and SHIB Sats, whatever you want to call it, which even from this moment right now is 38% move. Don't buy a green candle. So I know that I'm talking bullish and I'm giving areas where I'm particularly interested on this chart where it's going to go, but I'm not suggesting you buy it now. You should have bought it before. You should have paid attention. You should have bought it then. I'm assuming if you're watching it, you probably do hold it, so good for you. And these are the targets. So the first major resistance is here, second is over here, and second is here. So that's 2,800, then we've got 3,200, and you've got 3,800, sorry, 600. And if it does burst on through, then actually it can really fly, because if we take ourselves over to a weekly, what we've got over here is a nice, big, fat breakout of consolidation, surfing that 10 exponential moving average. To be fair, let's just check the money flow index. Plenty of room to run, plenty of room. So this has got loads of room to run now. And to be fair, you could even target this one and beyond. You could easily see this launch all the way back up and beyond its previous all-time highs. Now, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. You've got to take it level by level. Remember, I'm in it for consistent profit, which means I have to take profit. So I will be looking at each one of these incremental resistances as just another area to take profit from. I'm not going to hold out for the bazillion X, but there's always a portion that I will keep, just in case the bazillion X comes to me. But I will not chase it, and I don't think anyone should chase it. We respect this market, or you should respect it, and you should just take from it whatever it decides to give to you. And that also means, being careful. But it looks good to me. I would certainly be looking for these areas to get hit, and maybe beyond. But we always have to check momentum to see if there's any slowing down of that. But to be fair, it's like I've been saying for the last couple of weeks now, looks like altcoins have got freedom to run now. So we should just allow them to run. And if you're in them, excellent. If you're not in them, then that's no problem. You just got to find an area to get in on them and make sure you're not FOMOing into green candles. Perhaps join the old Patreon. Links in the description below. We're doing a live stream tomorrow, and maybe we can work it out together. Other than that, though, I hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.